What are you showing
All
me?
right, so I'm gonna bring it. Tell me your honest opinion.
What is it? Don't tell me it's time about Naruto.
Okay, so it's something I built out of Legos. I think you'll really like it because you like anime. You can take a look.
Is it Naruto?
Open your eyes.
Wow.
I built this myself. G made the chainsaw.
Wow.
And I put it together.
I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really cool.
Thank you. So what would you rate it?
Out of what?
1 to 10.
I'm gonna say 10 out of 10. There's a lot of good detail, and I really like how you put you put black in the back of the mouth, which also shows that throat, which would be dark, of course, and you even have a handle. That's very good detail, and even though the teeth are, there's none you did the best teeth that you probably possibly could, and yeah, it's just overall great.
Isn't that like the big...